back here with us on Times Now, and we have some breaking news coming in at this point in time from Maharashtra, and this is about Maharashtra's Minister Dhananjay Munde, in fact, who has tendered his resignation amid controversy over the murder of a Sarpanch in the Beed district that happened in December. That's the latest update coming in. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Srishti joining us on the broadcast more on this. Srishti, give us more details. What led to this resignation? Was he asked to resign given the kind of details that have emerged in the probe so far?
Well, of course, it boils down to the case of a brutal murder of a Sarpanch in Beed district, that is Mr. Deshmukh. Now, he was brutally killed in Beed district by a person called Valmik Karad. Now, Valmik Karad is a close aide of Dhananjay Munde, and that's why there was a lot of pressure on Dhananjay Munde as well as on the state government for the resignation of Dhananjay Munde. Now, the charge sheet has been submitted by CID to the Beed court, and the charge sheet mentions several facts, which also includes that this particular person, Valmik Karad, who is a close aide of Dhananjay Munde, he has not just murdered the Sarpanch of the Beed district of Masazok village, but he killed him brutally, and they have also clicked videos, clicked photos and selfies. Basically, they have enjoyed the process of killing this particular Sarpanch, and those photos are coming out now, and that's why there is a lot of pressure which is mounting on the state government, considering the fact that Devendra Fadnavis talks about the clean image, clean cabinet. Now, this was the last thing which was pending in this entire matter, because since the time this murder has happened, several opposition leaders has demanded the resignation of Dhananjay Munde, and today Dhananjay Munde has given his resignation to CM Fadnavis. CM Fadnavis has accepted, and for further details and requirements it has been sent to the governor. But importantly, what pans out is that a Sarpanch from a particular village, Masazok in Beed district, he was brutally killed because he was opposing certain discrepancies which were led by this particular person, Valmik Karad. Now, Valmik Karad was asking money to the owner of an energy plant, to the official, I beg your pardon, of the energy plant, and he wanted to mention a point that if someone goes against Valmik Karad, then what kind of condition can be there that entire district should understand. And this, I'm not saying this has been mentioned in the charge sheet which has been submitted by CID, and that's why he has executed this entire brutal murder. Mr. Deshmukh was killed brutally with sticks, with gas pipe, and with a lot of heinous things which they have conducted, which we can't even speak on camera. That kind of heinous and brutality has been conducted, and that's how he was killed, and he was thrown on a road. And that's why there was several protests from the family as well as people from the Beed district. A lot of pressure was mounting on the state government, and today finally the resignation has been submitted by Dhananjay Munde. But importantly, what pans out is that now all the opposition leaders are mentioning that law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra has gone for a toss. So not only the Dhananjay Munde's resignation is enough, but also CM Fadnavis as well as Ajit Pawar should give resignation.
All right, so pressure is now mounting on the government as well, given the kind of details that have emerged in this case. Srishti, we are in fact bringing to our viewers the brutal, the details of this brutal murder as well that took place. As you were telling us that the Sarpanch was reportedly resisting an extortion bid before the he was kidnapped, tortured and murdered on 9th of March 2024. Some disturbing visuals as well we have accessed from the charge sheet that has now been filed in this case. Thank you for the moment for joining us.